Hello guys, happy Halloween, and today in this video I am going to share with you my just a simple and very easy trick or treat bag. Let's get started. So I have here, of course, the very first thing we need is the bag. So I got this very cute trick or treating bag from Daiso. I have here some caramel candies and some Halloween chocolates. Like, who doesn't like Halloween chocolates for Halloween? So I also got this one. I got this one from Kaldi. If you're living in Japan, you can get this one from Kaldi. And also I have here some very cute Halloween choco balls. Like, they're in the small packs like this and different, I don't know if you can see, but yeah, like different characters like that. And also I got this very cute Hershey's Kisses monster. This one, I got the one with purple and orange. So I have here some cute monster cake, chocolate cake. Yeah, the flavor is chocolate and it has 5 pieces in it. And I think they are just, I don't know the design yet, but I can show you guys later when we pack it. I have here some cracker biscuit and the flavor is milk cream, and it's very cute packaging. Like, I like the color. And then the last one is this Bigo candies. I don't know how many total of candies inside, but I guess it's like more than 100. So I'm gonna divide it and give some for my students next week for my Halloween gift. So and also I'm gonna put some of my treat bags here, and let's see how it goes later. So let's pack our trick or treat bags. So I just want to show this in a closer look. Like, these are the candies, and this one is the monster cake, and this one is the Kisses chocolates. This one, and these are the chocolate balls and some Halloween chocolates and candies. So that's it. So let's start packing, you guys. Guys, my simple and very easy trick or treating bags. I just put a kind of sticker here, and it says like for you to seal the bag, just like this. And you can see at the back side, it's just like that. It's very simple. Just really a good idea for this Halloween. So I hope you like it. I hope you like this very simple and easy Halloween trick-or-treat bags. They're very simple, they're very easy. You can just do it in less than 20 minutes. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Happy Halloween! Bye!
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days.